This is the phone grip that I picked up from the Amazon team. It comes in tons of colours and it is super useful. So this is perfect for your iPhone 14 and above that has the MagSafe already built in on the back of the phone, or any other device that doesn't. Because the way that it works is you get your MagSafe ring on here, but also inside the box you'll get a spare one which is sticky. It can go on the back of anything. So you've got an older phone, maybe you've got a case where it's super thick which the MagSafe doesn't work through, maybe you've got Android, it's still going to be absolutely fantastic to use your ring. Now, I really like SYNCWIRE. I've got quite a bit of their stuff here, and that's one of the reasons why I bought it. And there's also some really great features on this. So, one, it comes in loads of colours, which is fab. Two, it is really nice and sturdy and solid. Some of them I've seen are quite flimsy. And one of my favourite features is the fact that it's magnetic on the outside, not just on the inside. So, this is actually an iPhone 9, I think, but I put the ring on the back just to show you. So, all you do, you pop it on there, and as you can see, it clips on super nicely. It has this tri-fold ring on the back, and so the way it works is you can use it as a finger loop. So if you are carrying it around and you want to do that, not just one but two if you wanted to, so if you want to hold it like that for extra grip as well, which in itself is really handy. But it's also got the stand built in, so if you want to have it standing up like that in any way, you can pretty much have it vertical. So if you are into filming gym shots, nature shots, you can put it on the floor and have your phone up as a vertical for your TikToks and your reels, and have it that way around if maybe you want to watch TV or a movie and want to prop it up while you watch. The other feature, which is probably the reason why I chose this, apart from it being SYNCWIRE, is the fact that it is also magnetic on the back. So you can stick it to anything that is metal that will take a magnet. So fridges, metal cabinets, that kind of thing. And probably most importantly, the most common one is going to be your gym equipment. So if you like to film your TikToks, reels, and all those things, your shorts, you can stick this to your gym equipment and you'll be able to film hands-free. Or just put it on the gym equipment if you don't like putting your phone on the floor, because there's never really any good phone holders, in my opinion, in gym equipment. So personally, I'm super excited to be using this one. It's going to make content creation on the go really easy and fun.